Welcome Marion, here from LKG. I am Mama Rogan. Title of the story is The Four Friends. Once in a beautiful jungle, there lived four friends. They were a deer, a rabbit, a peacock, and a mouse. They regularly met under a big tree. One day, everyone gathered at the place, but the deer did not turn up. All other friends were very sad. So the rabbit turned first, searched the deer. The rabbit found the deer caught in a net. Deer was saying for help, help. The rabbit saw it went in danger. It went to the other friends and informed about these conditions. The peacock thought of an idea. It stood in the court of the hunter to attract him. Hunter saw the peacock and he tried to catch it. Mouse cut the net and saved the deer. The deer was free and ran very fast. The four friends went back together and lived happily. Moral: unity always stand and divided we fall. Thank you. Have a beautiful day.
Wow, what a wonderful story. You truly touched our hearts. Please give them a huge round of applause.